I speak Bengali, which is my native language.
I'm a mother of 3 daughters.
I'm a proud member of the LGBT community.
I've been with TE ever since my graduation. I relocated from India to Germany.
I was born in Honduras. My parents are from Colombia.
This is my first job since graduation.
I'm a mother of a boy and a girl.
My native language is Spanish.
I've been with TE for 13 years and I have military experience.
Both my parents are Chinese. And I moved to Japan when I was 3 years old.
I'm originally from South Korea.
We work for TE.
It's more than a company.
It's a place where we are valued for who we are.
We respect and learn from each other.
And our differences make us more innovative together.
It's a company where we can freely unleash our talents.
TE reflects the world we want to live in.
What inclusion means to me is creating the space for everyone to be proudly themselves.
A willingness to go better and bigger together as a team.
TE promotes a culture of the right thing to do. Me being valued within the organization for my success, for my ideas, and what I bring to the table.
As a young person of the team, my views are taken seriously by my colleagues.
When I'm in a meeting where I'm the only female engineer, my contributions are just as respected.
I have been encouraged to offer my diverse perspective and be my authentic self.
The more engaged workforce TE has, the better business performance will be.
Commit to be mindful and purposeful in how we act, share, and lead. It's often the small acts that we see, do, and recognize that make a huge difference.
You don't have to fit in a particular mold. We have very different backgrounds and very different experiences coming together and working together and collaborating.
Inclusion is creating that welcoming environment that people do feel free to voice their opinions and their thoughts and their ideas. And it's taking time to pause to allow others to be heard.
How we build our team, unleash our talent, and create an environment for every single one of us.
We will increase our ability, which will help us focus on what matters to win in our markets and provide extraordinary experience to our customers.
I belong here.
ನಾನು TEಗೆ ಸೇರಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
心系 TE 引以为傲。
Ich fühle mich hier sehr wohl.
私らしく TE で働いています。
Yo pertenezco aquí.
난 여기 속해 있습니다.
I'm proud to be me and work at TE.
It's about all of us.
Being human.
Being unique.
Working as a true team.